Eitara, Goitse Levati, and you're now tuning in Collab Camp Studios. Nankoro is thank you.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy Jovi K, and you're now tuning into Collab Camp. Yeah. When I got here, I was feeling a little bit anxious, obviously, because of I didn't know most of the people here, and I wasn't used to the environment, so I was a little bit scared. When we was making this song, it was more of a spiritual thing, me and my brother, because we used to working together, So we kind of went soulful on the beat.
So when I got here, the vibes, I felt like so I wanted to create a vibe in ring, but what vibe since well is the vibes. So that's why I created the song Goitse Le.
What made me compose the track is obviously I was looking at the crowd, and I was trying to make them feel a little bit mellow and jolly at the same time. So, and obviously I tried to accommodate my brother over there as a vocalist because he likes mellow stuff. Yo, then what the? Hey. What I like about the session was the challenges, because I'm really intrigued about the challenges that I come across in terms of like any studio in that case, understand? What makes my sound unique is, I think it's because of the way I play my melodies, because I really try to like catch each and everyone's vibration and frequency, understand, so that they can tap into my frequency as well. So I think that whole thing, it kind of like excites me.
What I liked about my session in Jovi K is that Jovi K, he took me to the skicha vibes is air. So as Collab Levati, I think ke lona le mphanishang. I have to really nna ke jele ra so ke irela edeng e lore e ka kgona re spanisane le ena in a way. So that's why I created a vibe e lore it's vibey, groovy at the same time mellow. Okay, so what makes my sound unique from others is because I don't believe the way it's music, I think the way other people buy it, because I don't listen to what people listen to when they create music. Some they listen to the whole song, and that get like those elements that's where the flow comes from. And also when I sing, I create the melody before I can sing the song.
Hey yo, it's your boy Jovi K, Mfana Lady, Mfana Start Sound, and you're now tuning into Collab Camp Studio. And I just created the track titled My Spot.
Hey Tara, Goitse Levati, and you now tuned in Collab Camp Studios. The Jovi K, it is all up in my spot.
I